Hey channel members, what's going on? It's John with ReelBlue Custom Rods, and today I thought I would do a channel members only video on kind of pairing up one of these threads that we were using. And what I want to do is just made a video on this light orange, Hitena light orange metallic Versa thread. And what I want to do, and I'm just picking a guide. I got a really large guide just to take up some of this room here on this blank. But what I want to do is, I was throwing around some colors in that video like I always do, that like, hey, I think this color would look great with this, or, I think this would, be a great color to accent this as an underwrap and blah, blah, blah. Well, one of the colors, I chose, I was messing around. I chose this 101 Pro Wrap Versa thread. Pro Wrap Color Fast, color 101, which is more of a yellow. 122 is a yellow, and it's got some green to it. And one of the other colors that I picked was 210, which is kind of, an orange. And I think it's a really close first to that. But one of the other colors is I picked a regular white. Pro Wrap Color Fast thread, or NCP thread. So what I'm going to do for you guys, and you guys only, for channel members, is I'm going to wrap this in white. And again, I just picked, a guide that can take up some of this room. So this isn't going to be a permanent wrap on here, nothing like that. But I want to just go with what we've got here. And let's see what this thing will come out looking like. So just kind of getting started here, get my working in cut. And then loosen up my tension rod a little bit. So I'm just going to work with this white Versa thread, or NCP thread, right? Pro Wrap calls it Versa thread, as you guys know. So I'm just going to do this wrap and just really see what this looks like with another color on top of it. Again, I know this is something that I talk about a lot in the videos, where we're comparing colors, but I realized I never do a video, showing what these colors would look like if we paired them up. And so what I thought I would do is do it for my channel members. You guys that are paying to subscribe to the channel and to get some extra content. And I think this is a great way to give you guys some extra content. So that being said, please let me know what you think about this video. Please let me know what you guys think about this video down in the comments block if you want to see more of stuff like this. So I'm just going to wrap. Pack the thread a little bit here. All right, so we're just going to wrap this. And then same thing as always, I'll have the link to this video, or the link to these products, in the description below if you guys are interested in picking up some of this thread. Now I'm just going to do a double wrap or double overwrap. So I just kind of went back up over my thread there. And the reason why I'm doing that is, one, because I'm using a white thread, and two, just because I have a heavier guide on it. This is what I would be doing if I was really wrapping a rod for somebody. I'd be doing a double overwrap with this heavier guide. All right, and then let's go ahead and wrap this off. Again, there's no guide foot preparation on here, guys. So because I'm not really doing this on this rod, right? I'm just making a video here for you guys. So I didn't prepare the surface of the foot or anything like that, but right, so we got the first one down. And then now that I'm sitting here thinking about it, you know, I could have probably incorporated a single strand of this into that white. Let's just see. So let's go ahead and start on this second portion. All right, so we gotta get a bite here. All right. All right, so I'm just wrapping these around. Too big of a gap there. Come on, white thread, work with me. Take this tape off. All right, there we go. Sometimes you just gotta, Sometimes you just gotta use your hand and lay that down. I need to put a little tension on that tension rod. Okay. I'll pick up the pace a little bit. I'll just go down to this one spot. There we go. And we'll come back over, double overwrap. Just like that. Now let's see if let's get a little creative. So what if just because I didn't do it in the first one, let's just see what this would look like on the second one, see if it's worth trying. So let's say the bottom of the spine is back here. So this is what we're going to work with. So I'm just going to do an inlay wrap. All right, we're just going to see how this comes out. Okay, so let's try it right there. And let's do it with 2. Which can be tricky. And I want to lay that right next to that orange thread. And we're going to pull this orange thread back up through here a little bit, just to try to keep it in line. All right. And we'll go ahead and cut this working end off. I know you guys can hear a pin drop in here. I'm just just doing this wrap really quick. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and get this thread in here to tie it off. All right. So remember, when you're working with what do you call it, NCP thread, or in this case, you know, ProWrap's color fast thread, when you're using light colors, they're not very forgiving when it comes to seeing the thread wraps that you're going to have. So just keep that in mind when you guys are choosing your colors. But let's take this and pull, cut, and then come back here. I'm going to slide that over. And wrap. So kind of last minute there. Try something different, but see what it comes out to look like. So this is what, again, what that white thread, if you use it for an overwrap on the light orange, the Hitena light orange metallic Versa thread. So let me know what you guys think. Again, let me know if something like this type of video would be good for you guys or interest you guys for the members only videos. Let me know what you guys think. But hey, I hope you were able to get something out of this. Please, again, respond down in the comments block. Let me know what you guys think. And until next time. All right, guys, take care. Bye.